Safe Zones gives you customized control over which apps are active on your child's phone while it's inside a geofence. Necessary apps like glucose monitoring, language translation, or those required at school can remain open at all times. Time restrictions within each geofence are also customizable. While inside a geofence, your child can always receive safety alerts, call 911, or numbers you've whitelisted. This is discussed in a later tutorial. App and time controls are created on each individual child's phone. Using your child's phone, choose a geofence that has been created by tapping Locations and selecting its name. Then tap Edit Location under the map. At the bottom of the page, select Add Control. Tap Control Name to name this set of controls, for example, Pizza Parlor or Home Evenings. To control phone usage anytime a child is in a geofence location, your favorite restaurant, for example, select All Day and Every Day. Anytime your family goes out to eat there, Safe Zones will activate your controls. Also under Schedule, you may choose specific days of the week and select the start and end times for each day. To control phone usage on school nights only, choose hours such as 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. on Sundays through Thursdays. By default, all apps and websites are blocked. Tap Allowed Apps or Allowed Websites to enable the use of necessary apps, such as glucose monitoring, educational apps, or more. After selecting desired apps on the Choose Activities screen, click on the check mark. Then press Save on the home screen that appears. On the home screen, you can confirm that all of our blocked apps are grayed out and show Restricted when we tap on them. The music app that we allowed to function as an example is functioning normally. Our next tutorial reviews additional features that we think will be useful for your family and your peace of mind. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. We hope it's been a help.